Hey guys, so today I'm giving you your September month reading. So this reading is for the earth signs of Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. So I've already pulled out the cards and let's see what are you supposed to focus on in the month of September, or what is your theme for the month of September. So the first message that I see over here, it's a little bit depressing, but it's just telling you actually to not focus on the worst case scenarios. I feel that you have a habit of overthinking, or maybe you make up something that has not even happened yet, and you have this habit of imagining what could go wrong. Honestly, I can personally relate to this message a lot. I think that sometimes even I tend to do this without realizing. So I feel that you stop need to focusing on the worst case scenario. You need to stay more in the present than in the past or in the future. Grounding exercises would really help you out. The color green and brown, since they represent earth's energy, they would be really lucky for you. And let's move on with the next message. I also feel that this month is calling for you to really get out your practical side more. I think that you have a very detail oriented personality, so maybe it's possible that maybe you will be with something that will require your practical side more. I'm honestly feeling more of a career opportunity over here. Maybe something would really require your focus, maybe an exam or some sort of career opportunity where you'll have to show your practical and organized side more. And the next message that's coming out for you is no more procrastinating. I think that the universe is telling you that you need to stop over analyzing your options and make a decision. Something may require your decision making skills, as I said in the earlier message, very soon. And I also feel that for a few of you, you could be reconnecting either with your childhood friends, or you could be reconnecting with your childhood romances. So I don't know how this will exactly play out, but it's giving me a good vibe, good energy. I think that some sort of childhood hurt or trauma that you had, it could be healed. And I'm feeling that it just feels like a very positive message. Maybe something or someone from your childhood could make you really remember to be more happy, to be more positive. And this could also represent inner child healing. So for some of you, you really need to heal your inner child, and you need to work with people and situations that make you feel more lighter, that make you see the more lighter aspects of life instead of the more heavier things. So yeah, this is your final message. I hope that you could relate to this reading. Definitely let me know in the comments below.